Hello, everybody. This is Archana Pingle from Pune, IAF Pune Hub volunteer. And along with me, I have Miss Monali Ringe. She is the Fact Week champion for IAF Pune Hub. And she is here to
Hello
share with us.
everyone.
She is here to share with us what is IAF and Fact Week all about. So, Monali, please tell us what is IAF and Fact Week. We are hearing the buzz all around everywhere.
Okay, great. First of all, thank you so much, Archana, for having me here. It's a great pleasure to share about IIF. It's something that we all are passionate about. So let me just give you a brief about what IIF is all about. So IIF is basically International Association of Facilitators. So it's a community of facilitators who are committed to spread the power of facilitation across the globe. And as it says, it's international association, so it's a global organization, and we have various hubs through which we operate. And in India also we have all the major cities where we have our hub in presence. So we have Pune hub, we have Hyderabad hub, we have hubs in Bangalore, Mumbai, and all of that. And so basic vision of IAF is to develop facilitation skills and to see professional facilitation going and happening. And the basic objective here is to how do you involve people, how do you make people participate, how do you use their group wisdom and help them solve their own problems. So rather than giving solutions, it's basically inclusion of people and then solving problems. So that's the brief about IAF.
Thank you. I also just saw that there is a theme called diversity in facilitation. So, can you please expand a little bit about it?
Right. So, every year we celebrate something called Facilitation Week. We call it FAC Week, and this is a yearly event. And across the globe, you will see a lot of facilitators. They go around, they reach out to various institutes, organizations, corporates, even educational institutes or NGOs, and we give them the experience of facilitation. So this week is full of all these events, and every year we have a kind of theme for this week. So this year the theme for us is diversity, and a lot of times when we look at diversity, we think it's a diversity of gender, male, female, and things like that. But here when we talk of diversity, it's diversity in every aspect of facilitation.
Okay.
Another, so to say, is only L&D people or HR folks can be facilitators, but that is not the reality. When we look at facilitation, it can be any interaction: doctors, architects, policemen, whoever, or NGO committee. These volunteers, they conduct a lot of sessions for their communities. These people can also act as facilitators, and that is the diversity we are aiming at. And our objective through this FAC Week is to spread across this facilitation power to various fields, so to say.
That's amazing. Thank you so much. So, how are you feeling this FAC week? What is your feeling right now?
Okay, it's a great pleasure to be a part of this FAC Week. In fact, we have a team of all these facilitators, especially in Pune Hub. We have highly passionate, team members. We have Archana, we have Shalaka, Ravi, Vasudha, Husefa, and all these team members we all are so excited about this. We have already lined up a lot of sessions, during the FAC Week. So this year the FAC Week will be from 19th of October to 25th of October. So this entire week you will have n number of sessions, n number of events, blogs, case studies, and you will see a lot of happening during that week. And we all are excited. At the same time, there's a lot of responsibility on our shoulders that we do a great job and have a
That
great
gives
FAC Week.
butterflies in your stomach.
Absolutely.
Okay. So, what does it mean for you to be the FAC week champion?
I think the earlier team members till last year, they have set such a high standards that to meet up to those expectations, that itself is a big responsibility. So if you ask me my feeling, I am excited, I am curious, I am at the same time a bit kind of worried. Hope it all goes on well. But yes, we are highly committed, and I'm sure it will come out to be a great Fact Week for us.
Yeah, you sure will. You've already put a great event together. Pune Hub is the lead hub in all over India, all the chapters. So kudos to
Yes,
your
yes.
commitment. Thank you so much. One
In
final
fact, we
message
have
that you
crossed
would.
50.
Oh wow, that's great. So half century done. So what is the final message to our viewers about Fact Week and IAF?
I think a lot of times people, think that training is equal to facilitation. But if you really want to experience what facilitation is all about, reach out to us. We have a highly experienced professional team of facilitators who are very much willing to give you a kind of experience this facilitation. And you can reach out to us. We have our website if-world.org. It's an international website where you can find all the details about Fact Week. From Pune, we have Pune Hub's FB page wherein you can reach out to us, and you can also share if you have any queries, you want to ask anything, or you want to actually have a session for your organization or NGO. Just reach out to us, write to us on this page, and we can come back to you on this. So that would
Thank
be
you
my
so much,
final
Monali. We'll see you again for the second, insight about the IAF and Fact Week. We'll continue to meet.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Archana.
Thank you, everybody. Stay tuned to us and reach out to us at ifpunehub@gmail.com or on our FB page if you want to experience the taste of Fact Power. Stay tuned.